Excuse me, meron akong laban dyan. So today is our third wedding anniversary. And we try to do this every year on our anniversary. Like, di ba naalala mo last year nag-worksheets pa tayo?
Balitan tayo ah.
May questions ka rin?
Yup.
Okay, fine.
It's gonna be
I'm ChatGPT.
fun. It's gonna be fun.
Okay.
Come on.
Sino una? Wait, bato.
You go first.
Pick muna.
Ladies first.
Okay,
Come
fine.
on. I'll let you go first.
Okay, wait lang. Maaraw pa ba? Hindi na. Ba't mo ako sheets?
Give me that. I'll borrow that.
Okay. Bagay siya sa'yo. Okay, number 1. What did you not know about me on our wedding day that you know now? Iyak na
That's a
ako.
nice question. Okay. You'll be the strongest woman I've ever known. Like, in terms of, like generally, kung paano mo lang hinandle yung career mo, yung sa atin, yung grown, and to someone na hindi ko in-expect na kaya mo pang i-top pa yun. I know you'd be like magiging okay ka, malupit ka, and all, pero hindi ko in-expect na kaya mo pang i-top yung expectation mo.
Oh,
So yeah.
yeah, I try my best.
My turn. What's one thing about yourself that only I can handle?
My personality.
At least alam. Mahalaga yun.
I don't know, I feel like I'm the most authentic version of myself when I'm with you. So yung personality ko talagang minsan nagka-clash. Like, hindi lang personality, personalities. Remember,
Kasi may multi-personality disorder.
remember I used to tell you na may council sa
Yeah.
utak ko. And
May
minsan,
company.
I mean, madalas naman na sila nag-agree. But, hindi pa rin sila nawawala. Andiyan pa rin sila. In power pa rin. Ha. What surprised you the most about married life?
How calm and peace it is. Like, sabi nila magulo, pero hindi naman. Like, mas kalmado ka na kasi nakaka-focus ka na talaga sa mga bagay kasi wala na. Alam mong you're locked in with your
Na wala
partner.
ka nang ibang masyadong iniisip.
Yeah, hindi mo na masyado yung peace of mind mo parang andun na ma-achieve mo talaga. To the point na, alam mo yun, nakaka-focus ka talaga.
Yeah, that's true.
Diba? Sabi nila magulo. Araw-araw.
Yeah. Marriage shouldn't be another battle talaga.
Okay. If someone asks you why you're dating me, what would you tell them?
Dating you?
Why would you marry me? Why did you marry me? What would you tell them?
I think I've already answered this question a million times. But it's because ever since I met you, parang iba talaga, I see you differently. Like,
Bakit? Go.
ang layo sa mga naririnig ko, gano'n. Kasi syempre, I did my research. I'm just kidding.
Parang sama ako.
Hindi nga, basta I see you differently. Tapos, nakita ko na agad lahat ng possibilities with you. Kasi, I think, yung mga in-offer mo sa akin, even from the very beginning, were good foundation of a good relationship. Kaya sabi ko, okay, pwede to. pwede itong seryosohan. And then, I saw how you treated me when I was at my lowest. Mga na-hospital ako and all that. Honestly, doon pa lang naisip ko, papakasalan na talaga.
Doon pa lang talaga
Oo.
na
Hindi, kaso hindi ko pa ako tinatanong. But yeah, doon parang ano na siya sa akin. Indication na siya na kung tatanungin mo ako, if you're gonna ask for my hand, I will say yes.
And I did. I'm
You
glad I
did.
did.
Yeah,
Okay, your turn.
good job. Okay, wait. Okay. What do you miss about us that we can start reclaiming together?
What again?
What do you miss about us that we can start reclaiming together?
I don't know. I guess more time. Pero kasi with our career, sa trabaho, ginagawa natin. It's not like ayaw natin. Talaga
Yeah.
lang na-hassle lang tayo sa dami ng ginagawa natin.
But it's a good thing. Ano
Yeah,
mo,
pero
it's a
pagkaya
good
naman
thing na
natin
nasa,
expected.
nasa house lang talaga tayo pareho. Building our careers there. Kasi, if it's, I think, if
Hindi lang yun ang
ibang,
maganda doon kasi after nung everything, like yung work mo and all, ako, pwede pa rin tayo magkita like may window time na 5 minutes, 10 minutes,
yeah,
di ba? Uy, teka lang, may meeting ako in 10 minutes.
yeah.
Payakap muna ako.
Before kasi, ang dami nating tayo.
Dati wala naman kasi tayo mga trabaho. Tamang, di ba?
Seasonal lang yung ano no, yung
Events lang
hustle.
tayo, tapos pag gusto lang natin, wala lang tayong budget. Kasi mga bata
Yeah.
pa tayo.
Yup, but we thought that's cool.
Yeah.
Well, it was that time in freedom. Ikaw na.
What's one trait of mine you hope never changes?
One trait of you I hope we want to change. Isa lang. Ang dami kong listahan. Charot. Siguro yung being patient with me.
You?
Being patient with me and all that I come with.
Yeah.
I mean, alam ko naman na ano, it's a different life with me.
At least,
Yeah.
that's good.
Okay, my turn. What's something you feel you do well as a husband that you wish I noticed more?
I think you know this.
Nanonotice ko.
No. I think, hindi. To the point na sinasabi ko na sa'yo.
What?
Like, paano ko kayo alagaan? Like, all the small details. Like, like, for you girls and you and Aya, when I say girls, it's you and Aya. Kasi siya, meron na rin siyang standard. Okay? Meron na rin siyang ano.
Yeah.
Nakita mo yung tsura niya nung nakita niya yung flowers. No? Was gonna cry.
Yeah, why? What?
Daw, ang laki ng flowers ko. Siya daw, isa lang. Anyway,
Kasi, ba't ba natin siya si nanay nang
Anyway.
binibilan mo rin siya?
B, it's okay. It's okay. Gusto ko na. Anyway,
Did you buy talaga for her?
not yet. I am gonna buy. Now I'm gonna buy. Ngayon, bibili na talaga ako dahil sinabi niya. Kasi akala ko okay pa yung sunflower, di ba? Meron pa siyang sunflower.
You just bought her
Ewan
sunflowers.
na eh. Gusto niya pala, ganyan din na parang bouquet pa ang gusto. Tapos nag-request dried flowers naman na blue. Anyway, kayo, yan yung mga na-appreciate nyo, no? Yung mga, kailangan may bulaklak, may pakik ako, may lalabas tayo, or with you. I don't know, or we always have to do something. Yan, parang gano'n.
Oh.
Pero, yung mga simpleng bagay sa bahay, parang ano sa inyo, parang
Bare minimum.
Wala. Yan talaga ang ano niya. Yan talaga ang role niya dito.
Okay.
So, yeah. And
I
then,
will notice that more. And i-emphasize ko rin siya kay Aya.
ito okay
So
naman.
she
Nanonotice
knows.
nyo lang. Hindi nyo lang siguro nare-receive ko. Hindi nyo lang na. Parang appreciate, I guess, sometimes.
We do.
I know, sometimes. It's okay.
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 Ay, ikaw na pala.
What's one thing I'm better at than most people?
Loving me. Wala makakatap na. Okay na ba yun? Sagot
Okay.
na yun? Accepted ba yun? Okay. And that's it. Wala na kaming questions kasi kumain na lang kami.
Busog na kami.
At busog na kami.
It was fun. It was good.
Merong last question. Pero sa atin dalawa na galing. Tayong dalawa na ito sagot.
Okay.
What advice can you give to couples na ikakasal pa lang?
Be patient. Hindi lagi makukuha yung gusto. But eventually, you'll get it. Be patient. With everything.
Ano ba yung inaantay?
No, I mean, in terms of things, career, I don't know, mindset ng partner, with everything. Be patient, pray, keep God always in the center. That's it. Pray, surrender to God, everything. Surrender everything to God.
Yeah.
Pray, work hard, and you'll do good. You'll be good. You'll be fine.
Sa akin naman, I would say communicate. Because communication is really important. And if, syempre, hindi naman maiwasan ang misunderstandings, make sure to talk it out with your partner and not with other people. Because kayong dalawa lang yung nasa relationship. But yun lang. That's it. Happy 3rd anniversary.
Yups. From the Ace.
Oh. This year, hindi kasi same yung wedding anniversary namin and yung boyfriend-girlfriend anniversary namin. But this year, on July, 7 years na kami! Hindi talaga namin sinabay yung wedding sa anniversary namin.
Kasi gusto niya talaga nagsiselebrate.
Kailangan Tapos maganda yung yung pagitan niya. Para nakakapag-prepare dun
Sakto lang, Feb 5 sa amin. 1 week, Valentine's. 1.5 month, birthday niya. Then another 2 months, 7th anniversary naman namin. So yeah.
God, it's good. It's
Tell
good
me,
planning.
when can I breathe?
Excuse me, meron akong laban dyan. December, Christmas, New Year, January 5, birthday niya.
Ang galing ah. Dami
When
yan.
can I breathe?
Ang galing, ang
Weeks
galing.
lang pagitan nun Ano?
Sige.
Months, may ka naman sa
Sige
weeks ko.
na. Yeah. Fair.
Yun lang. Bye!